और अब राजपथ पर आगमन नौसेना की झांकी शीर्षक स्वर्णिम विजय वर्ष। इसके अग्रभाग में 1971 में कराची बंदरगाह पर हुए आक्रमण को दर्शाया गया है। ये झांकी 1971 के भारत पाकिस्तान युद्ध में भारतीय सेनाओं की गौरव गाथा और विजय गाथा और खास तौर पर नौसेना के योगदान को परिलक्षित करती है। इस झांकी के ठीक पीछे वायुसेना बैंड स्वर लहरियां बिखेरता हुआ आने के क्रम में सलामी मंच के ठीक सामने नेतृत्व वारंट ऑफिसर अशोक कुमार। इस दस्ते में 3 ड्रम मेजर और 72 संगीतकार शामिल। धुन बजा रहा है साउंड बैरियर पिट मार्च। राजपथ पर एयरफोर्स बैंड के ठीक पीछे है वायुसेना का मार्चिंग दस्ता। नेतृत्व फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट तनिक शर्मा कर रहे हैं। इस दस्ते में 96 एयरमैन और 4 ऑफिसर्स शामिल। फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट अपूर्व यादव, फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर एम मुरली और फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर कुटप्पा भी इस जोशीले दस्ते का हिस्सा है।
And coming up next is the Indian Air Force tableau. Indian Air Force touch the sky with glory. The Indian Air Force pilots guard our skies with great panache. Pride in their force is writ large on the faces of the officers. And for the first time ever, Flight Lieutenant Bhavna Kant, who is one of the first 3 women fighter pilots of the country, is here as a part of this tableau, a matter of great pride for all of us. The tableau features models of some of their best aircraft, light combat aircraft, light combat helicopters, the Su-30 and the Rohini radar. And this is the DRDO tableau. Research and innovation are the key to the future, and DRDO's mission is to make India self-reliant in defense technologies to meet the future with all its might. 2 tableaus showcase DRDO's achievement. The first one shows a major stepping stone for the development of futuristic naval aircraft. The Indian Navy's first indigenous 4+ generation fighter aircraft that have state-of-the-art lethal missiles and laser-guided bombs and drop tanks. It is capable of taking off and landing from short runways in all kinds of conditions.
Next, we have the tableau of the anti-tank guided missiles being led by Aditya Bhaumik, a young scientist of the Defense Research and Development Organization.
And the second anti-tank guided missiles as a part of the DRDO tableau. DRDO has developed anti-tank guided missile systems which play a crucial role in targeting armored tanks. These are full-scale models of some of its indigenous missiles. These missiles are lock before launch, fire and forget, which means once the target is locked, the missile will ensure it hits its target on its own. Featured here are the man-portable anti-tank guided missile, the Nag, Helena, standoff anti-tank or SANT, and the anti-tank guided missile for Arjun tanks. All of these have been developed by DRDO.